Okay guys, today I am assessing a roof leak that's been happening here at one of my clients' homes. Well, not so much a roof leak. It's coming down the boiler room. I see the gutter here is totally clogged, which may cause the water to run down the wall once a lot of rain starts coming. And the wall is not the best in the back here. And this looks like it's in the area where the issue is, down in the basement, well, bottom floor apartment. So it could be this gutter here. It's totally clogged. It looks like a solid clog too, so I know once it rains that thing falls over and pours down the wall. Then we have a lot of damage on the side here. And I have to patch up. I have to repair some of this chimney stack here. And it's pretty, it looks like leaks come from there. Also, this big gap right here. So this is gonna be my day today. Here comes the train. Beautiful. So I'm gonna head back down in there right now, go down to the basement floor, and I'll check back with you guys. So water runs down the wall here. The inside here causing this water damage. Okay.
And then during Ida, when we really...
Okay guys, just checking my positioning to make sure I am in the right spot, and I think for sure I am, because the gutter is pretty much right up there. I'm gonna do a little bit of acrobating right now. Bear with me. I don't have the... There we go. Alright, that's the gutter up there. Right up there. Which is coming down right where we are having the issue. Down inside there. We're gonna go up a little further, just because we can. We want to get this right the first time, so that's our issue up there. And it's coming down right into that room area. So I'm pretty sure of it. I'm pretty positive that's the issue. So we're gonna get this done today. I would hope that, yeah, we're gonna get this done today. All right, so I'll check back in with you guys. Let me climb back down here. Take you on the adventure. Okay. All right. Here's my telescope ladder. All right, so let's get some tools up there. Should I get my tools up there? Okay. All right. It's a tight squeeze, but I'm Slim Jim, so I can for sure squeeze up here. Woo. Oh, look at this cool house over here. It's a nice little interesting house there. See that? All right, so let's get to it. I'm going to get my stuff ready. I'm using today to patch. I'm gonna clean the gutter out. I'm gonna clean the gutter out for sure. But then every little crack I'm gonna patch with leak stopper. This thing has never failed me. Every job that I ever did on the roof, I use this stuff, and I never get call back for the leaks that I repaired. So we're gonna use that today. and pretty much in combination with some mesh. Okay, stuff is tough stuff. All right. If I had any more big huge holes, I would use this roofing layer here for support, but I don't think we're gonna need that. Okay, so here we are. We're gonna patch that. We're gonna fix that better. We're gonna patch over here and take it from there. Now guys, I'm sure, look at what I just discovered. Over on this other side, the roof here is totally clogged with a bottle. So I'm sure when, you know, like we had the rainstorm from Hurricane Ida. So I'm sure these guys are pooling. It looks like they pool here really good. So I'm sure once the water rises high enough, it falls over into this side also, and this side is totally clogged. So it's gonna be a real huge swamp right here when you get any kind of rain. Yeah, totally. Look at that. Let's get this. Let's get that. 2 shots of that. Look at that. Wow. Spray bottle. Yeah, that's gonna do it. That's gonna do it. Now we're clear. That was totally clogged. Wow. Alright. So now I'm gonna get to put my gloves on. Okay, so I'm gonna reach over here and do my best to pull this gutter. Ooh, you see that? That is thick. There's no way. I'm sure there's a big. Oh, look at that. All right, let me get something. Put that in. Anything up here I can use. So I'm gonna use this bag here. Alright. Take everything out and put it in this bag right here. Sorry guys, I need to get started. I just decided I'm gonna start filming my random daily jobs, and I haven't prepared myself yet. As far as the camera stand and all that stuff. I'll get fancy real soon. Here we go. Okay. I'll get fancy soon for you guys. But right now I'm just, whoa, this thing is deep. Like, totally deep. So I know we have, wow. Totally, look at that. Look at that. Solid. Oh. Whoa, what is in there? It's bad, it's real bad. Ugh. Yeah, it's really bad. Okay. I think we're okay there. Alright, so that's totally unclogged. That was pretty deep. Got quite a bit of dirt out here. Some leaves, twigs, piece of debris. I don't know what that is, but it's not sure what it is. Like piece of roofing. Yeah. Some stuff made it fell down in there as I loosened everything up, so gonna have to try to flush that out. But yeah, let me get to. I'll check back with you guys. It's not a pretty job, but it definitely prevents any leaks from these areas. This cap here, I don't know if it's live or not, but I still I left a little opening to let any exhaust come out. I don't feel any exhaust coming out of it, but I still left a little opening. Sealed it around, meshed, cut little strips of mesh for everything. You know, a lot of sealing went down. A lot of patching. I patched a lot more areas than I first showed. You know, anywhere that had any crack seeping in, where I could see the brick or the underlayment underlayer of the current roof, I went ahead and patched. So here we have it. So pretty much yeah, I think that's it for this job. It should be I mean, it's not a full roof job, but it's, you know, it'll stop the issue that we're having downstairs here for sure. I know it was that gutter being clogged that was causing that issue for sure. Alright guys, so over and out until the next one. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe for future videos of pretty much like daily random gigs and such. Thank you.